Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Listen, I have a confession to make. I was starting to do this video right here on making these ladybugs because as I showed you yesterday how to do them and how to color sort a little bit and how to get rid of the little head on the ladybugs. Let's see, they're upside down. But anyway, what I was doing today was I was going to just go ahead and put a whole slew of them on one sheet of this and I was going to color sort. And suddenly I realized, oh my gosh, I can't color sort these. It's not going to work right. And then it did work right. And I was so confused and I was just going to leave it there and I was going to say, hey, y'all, if you know it's wrong, what I've done wrong, please tell me in the comments below because I had absolutely no clue why this thing worked. So I said, well, I'm going to do some research and I'll come back, another day, another week, whatever, and read your comments. But then I did do a little research and I figured it out why it did work the way I didn't expect it to work. So check it out. You'll see my blooper. You'll see me come to the uh-oh moment where it worked and it shouldn't have worked. Why did it work? So let's get started. Okay, here we are in my software, and I'm going to show you where I just almost made a huge mistake. I thought I was so tricky. Remember yesterday or the other day, I showed you how to do the ladybugs, and I'll have it linked right up above if you haven't seen it. I showed you how to change these so they're no longer earrings. Well, now I did a test sew, and it worked out beautifully. Today, I want to do a whole slew of them on one 5x7 frame or hoop. So I'm ready to go, except for when I looked at the stitch simulator. Check this out. Wow, look how many times I'm going to have to change from black to red to black to red, and so on and so on and so on. So I thought, oh, no problem. I will just do a color sort. So check this out. I'd come up to View, Utility, and Color Sort. And it's going to color sort so many of these. It's going to be fabulous, right? Not. Hold on. Let me show you why. It says it saved 76 color changes. Let's look at the new view. All right, here's the new view. First of all, check out all these jump stitches. But before that, let's look at the color or the stitch out. It's going to do all of the black, which is great, and then the red, which is great, and then the black dots, and then the red on top. So hold on just a minute. I think this is working. Okay, so it is working. Now what I want you guys to do is put on your thinking cap and tell me why in the world did this work down below in the comments, because look, it's going to do just the black and then the red of the wings and then the black dots and the black head and the final red. Whereas what I thought it was going to do is this. I thought it was here. Let's look at this objects panel over here, and I'll put this the way I thought it was going to do it. I thought it was going to do all of the black first and then all of the red. So let's see how that would have worked. If it did all of the black first, it would have put the dots here because it's the same color sort, and then all of the red, which would cover the black dots. So why in the world did it work the way I wanted it to? Isn't that just so cool? Check it out. That is exactly what I wanted to do. I'm a little bit stumped. I'm going to go do some research now, but one of you probably knows already. Let me know in the comments. Okay, my ladybugs are over there stitching in the background. I hope that noise doesn't bother you, but I couldn't stand to leave you guys hanging, so I did some research. Here's what I found out. When I did this one and it ended up color sorting it perfectly, what I did was I was here. These are not color sorted, as you can see. And if we look again at the stitch simulator, you can see how it's going to go. What I did here was I came up to Utility and I said Color Sort. Now, it was automatically, I'm going to cancel that one, cancel that. I'm just going to change this. It was on 4 when I first did it. So maybe I need to cancel. There we go. Okay, so if we go to new view here now on 4, you'll notice that it's color sorted perfectly, as I said. So let me delete this one. Save changes, no. So I'm going to go back to that one. This time when I go to utility and color sort, I'm going to change this tolerance to something else. I'm going to change the tolerance. I'll just go crazy all the way up to 100. Okay, and we'll see what happens now. Now automatically I can see that my ladybugs look weird. Let's go to the new view and check it out. It has sorted it the way I thought it was going to do originally. So that had to do with the tolerance. So if you, when you run your Stitch Simulator and you see yours is acting all wacky like this one, like doing the backing and then doing the dots and the head and all of this thing in the wrong order, because look, the dots are covered and everything else is covered. So don't do that. So again, what did I do? I changed it, the tolerance this time to 100. I'm going to go back again, go to utility, color sort, and I'll make it once again something like 4. Whoopsie, 4. Hit enter and it should do it again. There we go. And so you may have to mess with your tolerance down here, and this time it should work perfectly. So, like I said, I didn't want to leave you guys hanging there. Not if you didn't know. If you did know, bravo for you. I sure didn't know. I learned something new today too. That's why I love doing these videos. So let's check it out. New view. Let's make sure it did work. Yeah, perfect. So again, it's going to do the black, but not all of the black. Then it's going to do the red, but not all the red. And then the black again, and then finally the red. So that's it. I hope you liked this tutorial and you learned something right along with me. Hey, if you like my videos, please, please, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps other people to be able to see my videos. If you're in the market to purchase something like Embrilliance, I sure appreciate all of you who have been using my link. That is really kind of you. And I guess that's it for now. See you again soon. Bye.